Okay guys, so we're gonna try our fruit thing, our tortillas. Let's try these first. These are like real authentic tortillas. Oh wow, there's a ton of them. This is crazy. Very plain, not too tasty. I rate this like plain tortillas. I'm gonna say like a 5 out of 10. Okay, let's try the fruit now. As you can see, we've got some spicy something on it. So let's try it out. It's got a ton of spice on it. That is really spicy. This is pretty good, but it's really spicy. I think I'm gonna rate this like a 8 out of 10. It's spicy, but it's really good.